Are you concerned with what's going on in the world financially right now? Do you feel like you and your family is being robbed by the inflation? Did you know that 80% of all US dollars in existence was printed in just the last 22 months alone? Think about that. Now, what does this mean for you, for me, for average ordinary people out there, right? Well, what that means is this. The purchasing power of our fiat currency, the US dollar, has been reduced by over 96% since 1913, when the Federal Reserve was first created. My friend, if you're like most people, if you are watching all this happening and you're feeling the pressure and you don't know what to do about it, I would like to invite you to check out the Wealth Autopilot system. It's a very simple system that average and ordinary people just like you, just like me, are using, our families using, to be able to build and protect their wealth with gold and silver. That's right, God's money, like the wealthy have been doing for generations, even if they're on the budget. Doesn't matter if you got $20 or $5,000. I'm gonna show you all about it, and I'm gonna tell you how you can start taking control of your financial future starting today. Click on the link right now. You cannot miss this opportunity. This is urgent. We're on a mission to spread this message to as many people as possible. Check this out. Click on the ad. You'll thank yourself.